This zinc plated push to connect straight pneumatic fitting accepts 3/8 of an inch outer diameter hose. The threaded end is 1/4 of an inch NPT Male and comes with thread sealant pre-applied to it for fast installation and airtight connection. Made of durable brass material that can support up to 150 psi. Hose installation is done by pushing the tube into the hole until the mechanism locks. To remove the hose, simply press the release button. No tools are necessary. A high-quality fitting manufactured to the highest standards required on pneumatic applications.